Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are doing well. Today we are going to make this Christmas season more special with some beautiful homemade craft. Why not creating something magical with our own hand? Not only if it will save money, but it will also add love and personal touch to your holiday homes. So grab your glue, scissors, some pine cones, ribbons, you drop, or even old jar for crafting, because we are going to create simple, affordable, and heart-touching craft together. So let's start. So let's begin with something natural and easy. Pine cones ornaments. Take a few pine cones, paint them white or gold to give a snowy effects. Add small ribbon on top, and now you have beautiful hanging ornaments for your Christmas tree, for your home. You can also sprinkle some glitter to make it shine under the Christmas light. It is not amazing how simple pinecone can turn into a sparkling piece of art with your hand. Mason jar candle holder crafting. Next, let's use some old jar that we all have at home. Wash it cleanly, wrap jute rope on lace around the jar, and place a small candle inside. When you light it, it will spread a warm glowing, creating a cozy Christmas atmosphere. You can also add fake snow, teeny Christmas tree, or even candy care inside for extra beauty. This craft is not only pretty but also make a wonderful DIY Christmas gift for friends and family. Now Christmas is incomplete without greeting cards. Instead of buying from market, let's make our own. Take some colorful chart paper, draw on it Christmas tree, stars or Santa Claus, and decorate with button beads or ribbons. Write a sweet message inside like Merry Christmas with love, Merry Christmas, Xmas, and as what you like, and gift it to your loved ones, your friends, your family, your colleagues. Handmade card always bring a smile because they show their efforts and love. Another simple but eye-catching craft is bottle decoration. Choose a glass bottle, choose plastic bottle, take an empty glass or plastic bottle, wrap it with jute rope or twins, and stick some little bell stars on teeny ornaments. You can even add fairy lights inside the bottle. It will look like glowing lantern. This craft is perfect to place on your dining table, window, or even as a centerpiece of your Christmas party. So, my dear friends, these were some easy and beautiful homemade Christmas craft. The best part is you don't need to spend much money, just use things from your home which is already as a scrap. Now it's turn them into a magical decoration. Remember, Christmas is not only about expensive gift, but it's about love, creativity and togetherness, which is make memorable unforgettable. So because if you really enjoyed these ideas, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to more amazing DIY